In this video, we are going to see how we can experiment with our pictures, making different poses, making different styles. And you might try your own picture in Gemini and create some fun things. Like I have uploaded my image and I just asked to make him laugh. Although it doesn't look like the same, but we have also tried something by downloading it from pixels.com. You can just write person here and you will get the pictures for a lot of persons. You can use any one of them. And then we can simply experiment with different prompts. Like you upload the image. Since this is in high quality, as you can see the quality and detailing of it, the more quality you have, the more accurate the results will be. So if I asked to make him laugh, as you can see, it is so consistent in character that it doesn't look like it is created by AI. Make him bald. It has make him bald. Make him meditate. As you can see here, it is so awesome, guys. Look at the consistency and character formation of this tool. And if I change something like change the background to a peaceful location for a meditation and make picture vibrant in colors like one with a DSLR, I wanted something natural, but it has created this artificial looking background that still look nice, but we can try different results with it. And also we can make the person smile. We can change the pose to a side pose and it looks like this. So at this point, I want you to just upload your image or maybe get something from pixels.com and just try changing the facial expressions, changing different scenes, different styles, so that you can have a better understanding of Nano Banana. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.